Our brains are often described as the final frontier of science. But what if I told you that even now, despite all our advancements, we're still grappling with some of the mind's most enigmatic secrets? Buckle up as we dive into the top 10 mysteries of the mind that continue to baffle scientists, psychologists, and philosophers alike. What makes us truly human? Let's uncover the unknown. 1. The nature of consciousness. Consciousness is arguably the biggest enigma of all. What does it mean to be self-aware? How does our brain create the vivid experience of I? Despite extensive research, the exact mechanism of consciousness remains elusive. Are we merely advanced biological machines, or is there something more profound at play? 2. The concept of free will. Do we truly have free will, or are our choices predetermined by our biology and environment? The debate on free will versus determinism rages on. Neurological studies show that our brain makes decisions before we're even aware of them, raising questions about the extent of our autonomy. 3. The source of creativity. Creativity is one of the most celebrated aspects of human cognition, yet its origins are still mysterious. How does the brain generate novel ideas and connect seemingly unrelated concepts? While we know creativity involves various brain regions, the exact process of how it all comes together remains a fascinating puzzle. 4. The mechanics of memory formation. Memory is not a perfect recording device. How exactly does our brain encode, store, and retrieve memories? Why do we remember some things vividly while others fade away? The study of memory formation continues to reveal its complex nature, from the role of synaptic connections to the influence of emotions. 5. The phenomenon of deja vu. Ever experienced a moment where you feel like you've lived through something before? That's deja vu. This eerie feeling has puzzled scientists for decades. Is it a glitch in our memory system or something more? Understanding deja vu could shed light on how our brain processes time and memory. 6. The illusion of the self. The self is a core part of our identity, but is it an illusion? Some theories suggest that the sense of self is a construct of the brain, a narrative created by various cognitive processes. If the self is an illusion, what does that mean for our understanding of identity and personal responsibility? 7. The experience of pain. Pain is a subjective experience that is still not fully understood. Why do some people feel pain more intensely than others? How does our brain interpret and manage pain? Exploring the nature of pain involves delving into both physical and emotional dimensions, making it a complex and intriguing mystery. 8. The impact of unconscious bias. We all have unconscious biases that influence our decisions and behaviors, often without us realizing. But where do these biases come from, and how can we mitigate their effects? Understanding the subconscious factors at play can lead to more equitable and thoughtful interactions in our daily lives. 9. The mystery of dreams. Dreams have fascinated humanity for centuries. Why do we dream, and what do our dreams signify? While some theories suggest dreams help with emotional processing and memory consolidation, others believe they serve as a window into our unconscious mind. Deciphering dreams might unlock secrets about our inner world. 10. The limits of human perception. Our perception of reality is limited by our senses and cognitive processes. What can we not perceive due to these limitations? Research into phenomena like synesthesia and altered states of consciousness reveals that our experience of reality is more malleable and less objective than we might think. The mysteries of the mind challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. From the nature of consciousness to the limits of perception, these enigmas drive us to explore deeper into the essence of our existence. As science progresses, perhaps some of these mysteries will be unraveled. Until then, the mind remains one of the greatest adventures waiting to be explored. Stay curious and keep questioning.